Hello, my little kids. I'm an English language teacher at Amal Educational Institutions. Our lesson is about farm animals and their babies. There are some animals that live in the farm with their babies. Let's go together and see farm animals and their babies on the farm. This is a dog. A dog. A dog. A baby dog is called a puppy. A puppy. A puppy. Woof, 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 woof. This is a cat. A cat. A cat. A baby cat is called a kitten. A kitten. A kitten. Meow. Meow. This is a goat. A goat. A goat. A baby goat is called a kid. A kid. A kid. This is a hen. A hen. A hen. A baby hen is called a chick. A chick. A chick. This is a donkey. A donkey. A donkey. A baby donkey is called a foal. A foal. A foal. This is a duck. A duck. A duck. Baby duck is called duckling. A duckling. A duckling. This is a horse. A horse. A horse. A baby horse is called a foal. A foal. A foal. This is a rabbit. A rabbit. A rabbit. A baby rabbit is called a bunny. A bunny. A bunny. This is a pig. A pig. A pig. A baby pig is called a piglet. A piglet. A piglet. Ew, ew. Oink, 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 oink. This is a sheep. A sheep. A sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb. A lamb. A lamb. Bah, bah. This is a cow. A cow. A cow. A baby cow is called a calf. A calf. A calf. Let's sing a song together with the animals.
The ducks on the farm say quack, quack, quack. The mice on the farm say squeak, squeak, squeak. The chickens on the farm say cluck, cluck, cluck. Quack, squeak, cluck. The pigs on the farm say oink, oink, oink. The Goats on the farm say meh, meh, meh. The sheep on the farm say ba, ba, ba.
Oink.
Meh.
Ba.
The horses on the farm say neigh, neigh, neigh. The cows on the farm say moo, moo, moo. The roosters on the farm say cock-a-doodle-doo. Neigh! Moo!
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Neigh! Moo!
Cock-a-doodle-doo.
Draw a line using your finger from each animal to its baby. Donkey, fall. Pig, piglet. Dog, puppy. Are you ready to play a game? So let's play a game together. You're going to see a shadow of an animal. Do you know what animal this is? This is a cow. Great. What animal is this? This is a horse. Superstars. And what animal is this? This is a duck. Well done, my little kids. Oh yes, you did it. You guys are super awesome. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.